Once upon a time in the grand kingdom of Emperor Akbar, a strange problem arose. One morning the royal guards rushed into the courtroom. They looked terrified. "Your Majesty, the royal treasury is completely empty," one guard cried. Emperor Akbar's eyes widened in shock. He could hardly believe his ears. The treasury had never been empty before. Immediately, he called his most trusted advisor, Birbal. "Birbal, what is happening?" Akbar asked. "There is no money left at all. What should I do now?" Birbal stroked his beard thoughtfully. "Your Majesty, in difficult times, only a wise merchant can save the kingdom. Invite one to the court." Akbar nodded in agreement. Soon a merchant was brought before the throne. He was middle-aged and stood with folded hands. He looked respectful, yet calm. "The treasury is empty," Akbar said firmly. "Can you help your king?" "Yes, Your Majesty," the merchant replied. "I will do whatever I can." In no time, he arranged enough gold coins and treasures to refill the treasury. Akbar stared in amazement. "How do you have so much wealth? Where did it come from?" The merchant smiled slightly. "Your Majesty, I simply know how to avoid paying taxes. Others save a little. I save a lot." Akbar's face darkened with anger. "So you are a tax cheater. Take him away. Give him the job of cleaning the royal stables." And so the merchant was sent to shovel horse dung every day. Yet even while working in the stables, he observed everything carefully. He watched the horses. He watched the guards. He noticed the traders who visited the palace. His sharp eyes searched constantly for opportunity. Months passed quietly. One day the guards rushed into court again. "Your Majesty, the treasury is empty once more." Akbar pressed his forehead in frustration. "Birbal, not again." Birbal smiled knowingly. "He will help again." He bowed respectfully before the king. "Once again the treasury is empty," Akbar said. "Can you help?" "Yes, Your Majesty," the merchant answered calmly. "This time I have brought even more money." Akbar's eyes widened with disbelief. "Where did you get this money now?" The merchant replied confidently. "Your ministers and commanders are corrupt. I simply asked them to give me their hidden wealth. Otherwise I would reveal their secrets. So they paid me." Akbar was furious at this boldness. "Enough," he shouted. "Take him to the seashore. From today onward, he will only count ships. He will record how many arrive and how many leave." The merchant obeyed silently. At the seashore, he counted ships daily. But again, he observed everything closely. He noticed traders unloading goods. He saw delays and inefficiencies. He identified opportunities. He began helping the traders. He offered faster service. He arranged fair deals. He ensured timely deliveries. The traders trusted him. They rewarded him generously. 6 months later, the bad news came again. "Your Majesty, the treasury is empty." Akbar groaned deeply. Birbal chuckled softly. "No matter what happens, a kingdom always needs a clever merchant. Call him again." When the merchant returned, Akbar looked at him curiously. "You were only counting ships. How can you help now? What do you have left?" The merchant smiled confidently. "Your Majesty, even ships bring opportunity. I helped the traders who arrived on them. I improved their work. They trusted me, and they paid me generously." Akbar was amazed. He finally understood something important. This merchant turned every punishment into opportunity. Every challenge became profit in his hands. His intelligence created wealth wherever he stood. And Akbar realized that true skill cannot be suppressed.